Welcome to Cut News. You're watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim So now the news in details. As the rest of the country was embroiled in the coronavirus scare and the new citizenship law, thousands of people from across the country celebrated the Festival of Colour with much enthusiasm. The celebration of Holi was also seen in the headquarters of Karbi Anglong here on Tuesday. People from across Difu and other parts of the country gets drenched in coloured water and have enthusiastic colour fight throughout the day. Even though the Prime Minister Modi said he would stay away from festivities due to coronavirus outbreak. Relevantly, the outbreak of the virus, which has led to 46 positive cases so far in the country, that has led the government to caution against the mass gathering. Oh. 14 kilometers paver block road under 15 Mahamaya constituency in Karbi Anglong was reported to have been inaugurated by Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, here on Tuesday. The paver block road was reportedly said that led to National Highway 36 to Phongbirik Bukuri Terang village. Tuliram Ronghang also inaugurated the main gate of Thong Nok Bay College and open stage at Kori Pahar Adivasi village under 15 Mahamaya constituency. EM Lun Singh Tiron, Deputy Speaker Ritesh Inghi, EM Raju Tiso, Amar Singh Tiso, MAC Dor Singh Ronghang, Ram Singh Timung and many dignitaries were seen at the inauguration ceremony. That's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Don't go anywhere. With Sarim Nisa, we'll see you soon.